Hi, my name is Ramesh Chandra Singh. I am from eastern part of India. I have completed engineering in electronics and communication branch. My minor was mathematics. My MA degree from USA is in progress. My teaching license from Northern Mariana State Board of Education is for secondary education mathematics. I am expecting my teaching license from Arizona State Board of Education very soon. This is for subject matter expert mathematics. I have more than 12 years of teaching experience in India, the UAE, and Qatar. For first 4 years, I taught in National Capital of India, that is New Delhi. Then I got an opportunity in UAE. In UAE and Qatar, I was almost for 2 years. Upon returning back to India, I joined one group in Bangalore and there I taught for 2.5 years. In my present job, I have been working since last 3 years. I teach mathematics from grade 8 till grade 12th. I have experience in many boards. For example, CBSE, that is Indian board, IBDP, math, I have experience. I know about AP board, that is from USA. Since childhood, I was good at mathematics. That was the reason I opted for engineering. During my engineering days, I used to explain some of the difficult concepts to my classmates. There I realized, since I am good at mathematics, I like helping others. Why should not I go for mathematics teaching? That is the reason I opted for mathematics teaching. My way of teaching is little bit different than others. I encourage the students to come out with their way of doing the questions. Sometimes they may not be correct, so we cannot reject it outrightly. We should give them the reason why it cannot be implemented. If the child is not doing well, I go for reteaching as well as I try to differentiate between assignment. I encourage the students to go for peer-to-peer teachings so that they can bounce each other ideas. America is called land of opportunity. I will give some example. My cousins, they are working in New Zealand. They told me to inquire about mathematics teaching job in New Zealand. I approached some of their agents there. They told me that if you have teaching experience from USA, not only teaching certificate, then we would be glad to hire you. Once I wanted to apply for one school there in UAE. There, one of the criteria was you must have teaching experience from USA. If you get experience from USA, then you will be eligible and you will be preferred to any jobs throughout the world. So that is the reason we call America is land of opportunity. One of my friend, he went to USA as a teacher. Upon coming back to India, he was appointed as a principal of a very reputed school in Bangalore. So that is the reason I want to work in USA. Of course, the current situation is not good globally because of COVID-19, but we are optimistic that within next couple of months we will get out of this problem. I wish all the best to USA as well as India and the world. Thank you very much.